Hello students, I'm back for another example of determining the vertex of parabola given the quadratic equation. So, proceed to number 2. I have here, sorry, the given equation of f of x is equal to 4x squared plus 16x. Again, first thing we have to do before anything else is to check if the given quadratic equation is already in standard form. So, number 2, first term is with a variable nga power of 2, followed by the next term with a variable nga power of imaginary 1. So, yes, sakto na siya. In proper writing na siya sa quadratic equation or naka-standard form na. So, we will now identify the value of A, B, C. So the value of A is the coefficient of x squared. X if the given variable is x. Depende na siya kung sa given nga variable. But this time for number 2 nga example, ang given nga variable gigamit is x. So, ang coefficient sa x squared is positive 4. So that is our value para sa A. Next, for the value of B is ang coefficient sa x nga na power of imaginary 1. So, we have positive 16x for the second term. Mao ni siya itong kuhaan o value sa B. Ang tapad or coefficient sa x is 16. And take note sa iyang sign. You have to check and include sa iyang sign. That is positive. So, positive ang value sa B. 16. For C, that is 0 kay wala na tayo other term nga nabilin aside from these two terms para sa kuhaan sa value of A and B. Wala tayo kuhaan sa value of C rather. So 0 na siya. Now, manata sa pag-determine sa values of A, B, and C, makasolve na ta para sa x coordinate using this formula or equation. Sa itong formula, we have x is equal to negative b over 2a. So, substitute x is equal to, at sa una ibutang or isuwat ang negative sign since given na siya gikan sa formula. So, negative ay saka mag-substitute sa b. Tanawa ang imong given, the b is positive 16. So, 16. Denominator, we have 2 given na siya. So, ato ang i-copy. Given sa formula rather. So, sumpay A. So, ato aning pulihan sa value of A in this item, which is 4. Positive 4. So, done. Now, we will simplify first ang denominator since dapat siya parenthesis. So, i-copy sa nato ang numerator, negative 16. Then, denominator is 2 times 4. 8. Now, single term naman ang naa sa numerator, denominator po, isa naka-term. So, atong try og divide og ma-whole number ba? Kung dili ma-whole number, pwede ra na siya i-as is nga fraction. Pwede pa nimo i-decimal. Kung i-as is nimo nga fraction class, you have to make sure nga naka-reduce na into lowest term ang imong fraction. Now, let us try. 16 divided by 8. Yes, the answer is a whole number which is 2. So, balik ta, aritaw na sa sign. Para plus ta na inigsuwat na to. Negative divided by denominator is positive. So, again, negative divided by positive, different sign. The resulting sign is always negative. Next, sa value ta proceed, 16 divided by 8, that is 2. So, the x-coordinate for this second example is negative 2. We will now proceed for the value of the y-coordinate using sa ato ang nagkita ng x-coordinate. Ato na siyang ipuli sa class sa given equation. Given equations we have f of x or y for x squared plus 16x. So, substitute y is equal to copy 4. The next is x. So, substitute x is negative 2. Parenthesis as always, negative 2 to the power of 2. Imo kuno i-raise to the power of 2 si x, which is negative 2. Next, plus sign plus 16. Then, na po x. So, pulihan na po nimo negative 2. Negative 2. Okay, simplify. Arita mo kuno og simplify class. Sana ay power of 2. So, this one. Since, naman na siya power of 2, that means, kini nga iyang base, the negative 2 is ato pa na siyang i-multiply kaduha. Multiply to itself. So, ato siya nung unahon. I-copy sa nato si 4. Dili ta pwede maka-multiply largo ni 4 kaya na pa may power of 2 si negative 2. So, ato sa nung unahon. We have 4. Next is negative 2. This value to the power of 2 kuno. So, atong isa-isahon, that is negative times negative, positive. 2 times 2 is 4. So, positive 4. Next, pwede po ato na siyang i-simplify daan class, ato na siyang i-multiply daan. So, there are two values for the second or the next term. The 16 and 2. Take note sa iyang sign. 16 is positive, 2 is negative. So, ato na siyang i-multiply iyang sign. They are different. And please always remember nga mag-multiply ta o mag-divide ta og different sign, the resulting sign is always negative. Positive times negative is negative. 16 times 2, that is 32. Next, patam mo mag-simplify, kaya pa makita ang parenthesis. So, ato asa na siyang i-simplify. 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16, followed by the second term minus 32. Now, we can combine the remaining two terms, 16 and negative 32. Now, in combining terms, please always remember nga it's either mag-add or mag-subtract depende sa sign. Tanawa na to ang sign sa given values. So, ang 16 is positive, si 32 is negative. Dili sila pareha og sign. So, dili parehag sign, mag-subtract ta. So, 16 is subtract gikan sa 32. The value nga mo resulta is 16. Now, what is the sign nga atong gamiton? Ang sign nga atong gamiton is i-follow na to from the sign sa larger value between nilang duha. So, 16 and 32 mas dako si 32. Tanawa yung sign that is negative, so copy the negative sign. So, na kay y coordinate, negative 16. So, for your vertex is, solution as yan mo i-conclude, vertex is, atong una again, is the x coordinate. Amo yung unahon na itong suwat, dili si negative 16, that is wrong. So, x coordinate natin is negative 2 yung una, followed by y coordinate, negative 16. So, that is your final answer. Nawagi.